Ronald Oranza, may bumana, number 49, si Ronil Erguiza ng Orbistondo. Erguiza, solo break ngayon, Erguiza. At iniinuman lang siya ni number 70, si James Baldoyon. At titingnan natin. Sa harapan tayo, idol. Sa harapan. Okay mga kaibigan, again and again, from Villasis, Pangasinan, Joel Estrada hunting down itong nag-break sa harapan. Ang laki ng inagbuhat ngayon. At titignan din natin kung ma-maintain na niya to. Number 49 mga kaibigan.
And we have a move. Ronil Erguiza has knocked the elastic and gone clear of the decimated pack. The Orbistondo local tenant is putting that time trial engine to work right now. He's a sprinter with a diesel motor and he's flying solo toward the glory.
Alright, roughly 64 kilometers into the competition, about 11 kilometers if I'm not mistaken. A ballpark figure. At ito po mga kaibigan, sa harapan niyo po mga kaibigan, from Orbistondo, number 49, is Ronil Erguiza from Orbistondo. Dinayo ang Mapandan, ang home of the Pandan Festival. Nakatak dito sa kanyang handlebar, doing a kind of time trial mode. Para nagta-time trial lang itong si number 49, itong si Erguiza. Kahit headwind ang kanyang kalaban ngayon, 47, malakasan to. Mala Nashley mandating. Erguiza, ladies and gentlemen, doing 50. Oh my word, doing 50. Given the strenuous headwinds he is facing right now while traversing Santa Barbara, Dagupan City Road. At yung chase group, solo chaser nandun, nawala na sila Oranza, binura niya mga kaibigan. This is Ronil Erguiza. From Orbistondo mga kaibigan, Ronil Erguiza. Huwag niyong kakalimutan ang kanyang pangalan at huwag niyo rin siyang iboboto sa eleksyon dahil hindi po siya tatakbo sa eleksyon. Siya po ay tumatakbo ngayon dito sa Mapandan MTV race na pang-apat edition na ni Mayor Carl Christian F. Vega. Ang lakas itong batang ito. Oh my goodness. Pwedeng gumawa ng pangalan nito. Alam mo yung pag na-maintain niya yung ganito, given na ito kumbaga mark na ito nung kagalingan niya, ang lakas ng headwind dito pero nakakaminti pa siya ng 50.
Now in his grade 12, this Pangasinan Espoir wants to take up criminology or be a PMA student down the road.
About less than 10 mga kaibigan, less than 10 and is doing good. Mga kaibigan, doing good. Etong pedal pusher from Orbistondo near Calasiao and San Carlos City in Pangasinan. Pangasinan has 44 towns. At isa na nga dito ang town nitong rider na to, 49. Alanganing mag 49, alanganing mag 50, pero siya ngayon ay nagsi-50. 51 kilometers kanina, at medyo bumababa lang. Hindi bumababa ng 45 ang kanyang takbo, headwinds, at kaso mayroong traffic. Merong kahit pa paano ay bumabagal ang mga kakalsadahan. Paki-heart naman tong live natin. Paki-live. Itong live natin, paki-heart naman. Dito tayo dumaan. Huwag kang sisiksik sa mga traffic. Okay, medyo kahit pa paano ay maging advantage ito sa mga ibang rider. Okay mga kaibigan, so some buses and motorists are being instructed to tabi-tabi lang while this rider parang nag-ITT na to. Nag-ITT na tong si 49 na to na ripping at 49 kilometers per hour. Ang galing nitong rider na to. Yung form lang niya mga kaibigan, still at the top of his sport, down to 9 kilometers. And talagang pinurulong niyang agunin nitong lone chaser sa likod. Napatayo siya ngayon at na medyo nangawit siya sa ganong form. So mag-ano muna daw siya, mag-steady state muna daw siya ngayon. Itong si 49, ganda ng form kanina, nakita niyo yon? So nagkakaroon po tayo ng intermittent signal disruption right now dito po sa very notorious portion na to. Ito po ang Santa Maria or Santa Barbara Dagupan City Road. So ito pa rin po mga kaibigan, itong si rider number 49, no? Si Roniel Ergiza, no? 49 from Urbis Tondo, at nawala po kahit pa paano, binura niya. Titingnan natin kung sino itong humahabol na to. So si rider number 1, ako napakalakas niyan. Si ano yan, from San Manuel yan eh. Or Villasis Pangasinan, Joel Estrada, talagang decidido, no, determined, hell-bent to take the opportunity, and right now ay nalalapit na po mga kaibigan. They're entering, crossing the Barangay Malanay dito sa Pangasinan, ano, and the province of or in the town of Mapandan. Given also na ang Mapandan mga kaibigan ay isa sa mga kahit na masasabi nating binavalue ang cycling dito sa probinsya na to, no? Ang lakas na nito, ano? Most probably sa galaw niyang ganito ay wala pang kapaguran, at still at the top of his form, at most probably kahit pa paano ay makapag-podium na to, ano? Given na merong hanggang maging podium finisher ka dito hanggang 5th place dito sa Mapandan, dito sa Ford Mayor's Cup MTB bike race na in-establish ni Mayor Carl Christian F. Vega 4 years ago. This is his 4th edition right now at 46 kilometers, incredibly ripping at 48 despite the intensity ng kanyang pagpipedal. Kanina pa.
And as far as this rider is concerned, previously he competed as a junior competitor twice in the National Road Championships in 2023 and 2024, an Open MTB champion in Larga Pilipinas 2025, and competed in the MPTC Turo Luzon 2025, replacing Efren Reyes, finished 93rd overall and 27th best young rider.
From Urbis Tondo. Most probably, ito yung kanyang home court advantage, no? Taga dito siya eh. Sa Urbis Tondo, lalo dito sa may bandang Kalasyaw na to. Talagang siguro, pagbili lang ng mga patis, asukal, at mga iba pa mga condiments ay ganito rin ang ginagawa niya. Kaya, no wonder, no? He's been dominating the field, the 105 field at the back, ano? It's a deep field of 106 riders including him, at ngayon siya ay nangunguna sa 105 riders, combined categories of Open M and ito pong Mapandan category, no? At galak na galak, at may mga nagbigay din aside from the 8,000 pesos generously given by Mapandan Mayor Carl Christian F. Vega. May mga nagbigay din from Hawaii, at etong Cyclovia, no? At here we go mga kibigan, up close and personal, doing 48 kilometers per hour. Introducing rider number 49 from Urbis Tondo, Pangasinan mga kibigan, Roniel Ergiza. Roniel Ergiza po mga kaibigan. Kung si Roniel Ergiza po mga kaibigan, 19 years old lang ito, ha. 19 years old lang to. Is a, kumbaga ikakategorize mo to is an under 23. Now dominating the field of riders comprised of seasoned riders and pro cyclists. Ngayon, solo riding at 49 kilometers. Reaping at 49 kilometers per hour ngayon. Mukhang time trialist talaga to. The way he pedals, he positions himself under threat of headwinds ay truly amazing. Siya po ay pinapanood ngayon not just dito sa North America, Middle Eastern countries, but dito po mismo sa munisipyo ng Mapandan, ano? Kung saan po ginaganap ang taunang Pandan Festival. Ito po ang home of the Pandan Festival. Binuran na niyo po mga kaibigan. Titingnan natin, is still everybody's game, ano? Is still everybody's game. Nagsusunod na chase group and then breakaway. Past itong barangay Nilambot na. Nalalapit na to. Roughly, if I'm not mistaken, about 3 kilometers, ano? About 3 kilometers na lang ito. And still dominating. Still not yielding, ano? Keeps plugging alone. This is Roniel Erguiza, 19 years old. 19 years old. Palakpakan po natin. True heart. True heart po mga kaibigan. Okay, on the verge of taking the top podium right now. On the verge of taking the top podium, the championship. Pero still everybody's game. Dalawa po ang nasa chase group ngayon. Tinatayuan 49 at mahaba-haba pa rin po. About 3 kilometers, I guess. Ballpark figure ang remaining. Para may complete po itong 75.6 clicks. Fourth MTB race ng Mapandan. Spearheaded by Mapandan Mayor Carl Christian F. Vega.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 19 years old, a phenom from Urbistondo, Pangasinan. Roniel Erguiza is deep in the hurt locker now. Teeth clenched, legs screaming, but he is definitely not backing down. He's the black box of this race. Unreadable, unstoppable. He's not just disrupting the open amateur category, he is rewriting the Mapandan class entirely and blowing the race apart. Look at his drive. This is pure hunger. Erguiza, the second of 5 children, a family built on hard work. His father keeping the floors clean as a janitor, his mother serving the people as a barangay official. Humility in his roots, definitely, ladies and gentlemen. Power in his pedals, and he told Dwayne Entertainment the secret. He's not just writing for himself, he is fueled by the legend, inspired by the great Kenneth Solis. He also wants to take up criminology someday or be a PMA student. The engine is roaring, the gap is tremendously growing. Here we go, Roniel Erguiza, from the heart of Urbistondo to the top of the podium. Watch him fly now at the final stretch of this 4th Mayor's Cup MTB race here in Mapandan, Pangasinan.
Okay mga kaibigan, Roniel Erguiza mga kaibigan, about in my approximation 1.5 kilometers. 1.5 kilometers mga kaibigan, at on the way na sa may palengke. At hindi na makakilos, hindi na makagalaw, at parang na-stuck ang kanilang pagpipidal sa mas mababang pedal.
On the edge of a major breakthrough, Roniel Erguiza is making a statement here. 100 riders in his wake, the elites outclassed, the peloton shattered. A new power has just arrived.
An up and coming rider. Pakilista na po ang pangalan niya, Roniel Erguiza. From Pangasinan, Urbistondo. Paki-heart na po mga kaibigan, Roniel Erguiza ito. Ang laki ng katawan at ang laki ng parang malanashli ang kanyang build. A tough act, tough build, building momentum, approaching the finish line. Roniel Erguiza mga kaibigan, Roniel Erguiza, 19 years old lang ito. 19 years old, walang kapaguran. At kung magkakataon po kahit pa paano ay naungusan niya ang ibang mga Pro Season Riders, National Cycling Tour Champions ng Pilipinas, hindi lang Pangasinan. Pero to, Pride Pangasinan. Pakilista na po mga kaibigan. From Urbis Tondo, wala pa tayong kilalang mga riders na kahit paano ay nagrepresenta sa national event or gumawa ng pangalan from Urbis Tondo, yung mga taga Kalasyaw, yes, mga Binoya, ayan, meron yan. Pero ito, from Urbis Tondo, a neighboring town of Kalasyaw and San Carlos City ngayon, from Pangasinan, Roniel Erguiza, mga kaibigan, pakishare lang ito. At kitang-kita na mga kaibigan, of to the finish mga kaibigan, has gone haywire for the past 15 kilometers. Easy lang sa kanya, mukhang kaya pa niyang umikot ng isang beses, pero wala na. It's all over mga kaibigan, given the bringing cycling fans bursting at the seams. At kitang-kita nyo, ito,
The Carjack MTB road race turns out to be dominated by this deceptively dangerous 19-year-old Urbis Tondo hero. Just past the final 500 meters, Roniel Erguiza is not just a prospect but a problem to 105 deep field at the back. A young battle-tested rider now powering through the line and on the verge of dominating the fourth installment of a Mandan Mayor's Cup MTB race, crosses himself before crossing the line, a religious gesture of gratitude for dominating the deep field of 106.
Bunganga, po si Dwayne Badwa,